welcome to bloopers. Hey, welcome to bloopers. I just got a new game at the App Store today. It's free. I'll show you in a minute. We're actually watching the 10 Imaginary Friends. Anyway, here is a blooper. My name is Cheese. I love cheese. I'm allergic to cheese. I draw cheese. And I have holes in cheese. Yeah, that was mine. Now here is Yellowbirds. Fast and quick, quick and fast. Do you like them all? Because I do. You said that the other day, I think. Who cares? I love them all. Whee! Here is another one from Blackbird. Dum 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 dum. Pigs are annoying. That was okay. Bye. See you later on the next blooper. Bye. Dun 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 dun.